Y'all can see, right? Y'all can see, right? Pretty sure y'all can see. What page is that? That is Nasdaq. I've got open on the screen. Can you guys see? I'm gonna take a sit down. I'm gonna see thumbs up. I'm gonna see thumbs up right there, so you guys can see the screen as I'm about to jump out. I'll zoom in a bit so you guys can see. Some thumbs up there. Thumbs up is an emoji, guys. That emoji, just click on the thumb. Thumbs up. More closer, I'll zoom in. I'll show you guys more of it. So yeah, we see. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let me just check if my head is moving in the thing.
Nah, it's not.
Is it visible then?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, simply, perfect. I hope you guys can hear me. Alright? With Nasdaq for the past 2 days since market opened yesterday, what we experienced was something called, obviously, SP500. If you guys realize, SP500, S&P 500 hit an all-time high. So it's been on the high for the past 3 days. We're seeing Nasdaq refusing to actually give us a drop. Yesterday, 15:30 with the US Open, the market open definitely tried indicating a very strong sharp drop to the bottom, but all it was doing was giving us entry points for buys. I'm expecting something quite similar to this. So this was yesterday. Let me just highlight there. This part here. This low. Where is that low? This low here I'm gonna highlight right now. This low here was 15:30 yesterday. This was 15:30 yesterday, threatening to actually push down, threatening to go fly down, but obviously Nasdaq was refusing anything of that sort. It refused to go down. It was giving us spikes to the bottom. If you're a good trader of Nasdaq, you know when the market does that, that's where you have to fund and manipulate the buys. When it shoots down like that on an uptrend, shoots down, fund and manipulate the buys. Make sure your margin is good enough so you obviously remain profitable. That was 15:30. When the market did this yesterday, we definitely knew that okay, we have to start entering our buy trades, giving us a positive push to the upside. If you took the buy yesterday around about this section, you definitely made quite a lot of money. It came back yesterday around about this section, also giving us selling on the inner high of the previous low. Still positive on the high. As you can see from today, there is a certain high. There is a certain high that we have to break in order for us to travel successfully. That is the current high that I'm looking to demolish over the next 5 days. I'm waiting for Nasdaq to fuck up that high. That's that high that I'm waiting for. I want to see the market actually break that high and moment right there. Damn. So I want to see the market break that high and I want to see the market just break that high there. I want to see the market break that high that I've just highlighted right there. Let me show you guys right there. That's the part I'm waiting for the market to see. Right now, all I'm doing is buying, adding more buys and adding more buys. The lowest, but yesterday, 15:30, tried showing us an indication of dropping, but the market refused, and that was never going to happen. So at this section, I took my buys there, and I kept closing my profit when it goes to the highest point, kept closing my profit at the high point. Right now, market opened yesterday, midnight, it opened on the low, and it's been pushing throughout the whole day. And all I'm doing right now is dominating the buys, because that's what I want to see. Turn off comments. What do you turn off that shit? Okay. Turn up comments. So, if you guys understand what I'm saying. Right now with Nasdaq, there's nothing scary, nothing complicated. Just make sure you catch all your low buys. Make sure you catch all your lows, because the market will definitely take direction. And when it does, everybody's gonna make a killing. You don't wanna miss the buy. Already it's buying quite strong from the low, because the high and low here, our support and resistance on this current phase here is quite big. So already you can buy and sell in between it. But the buy that will come out of here, that's going to break that top there, will make anybody go big. Even a 10,000 Rand account will be closing around 400,000. Big accounts, 5,000 accounts will be going big. Any account that will be holding a buy when the market breaks out to the upside will definitely be in deep profits. So you don't want to miss this buy. You don't want to miss it at all. So this is on I think 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. So as I zoom in, you guys want to see that what is currently happening right now is that ever since market opened yesterday, let me show you guys. What is currently happening right now is that ever since market open yesterday, the market has been I'm gonna make fake this thing. Yeah, ever since market opened yesterday, the market has been going for a buy. And you look at right here. Today what I'm expecting was 1530, because as I put my resistance right there, I just highlighted on this high right here, expecting the market to come and bounce. It must be definitely good. So you are able to add more buys as the market definitely goes. This is on 1 minute time frame. The market has been coming and bouncing off here, as you can see. That is a consolidation area there, because all it's been doing the whole day is trying to. This is for 1 hour or 45 minutes time frame here. As you can see, the market has just been buying. This is the low that I'm speaking about. The powerful low that I'm speaking about is this one right here. This is on your 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. Check they can hear me there. Can you guys hear me? Can they, what? Yeah, but it's fine. I'm sure they can hear me. So yeah, this is our low. So this is the area that we're looking to escape on Nasdaq over the next 2 days. One thing I can advise is that make sure you've got a buy in here, because it's gonna be big. Make sure you can buy and sell as time goes, but right now make sure you've got a buy in this trade, because it's gonna be something really crazy. Just make sure, whatever the case may be, make sure you've got a buy in this trade. Very powerful, very good high and low. They're going into bigger time frame. Check it on H4. 4 hour time frame as well is also giving us the same thing. It says that. So the question is, what is the possibility? The question is, what is the possibility of this chart going down? Looking at H4, it says chances of going down are very low. In fact, almost impossible, because the market already came back here. The market already came back on H4 to retest on the previous high. Came to retest on the previous high. That's obviously giving us a yield over there. Then it pushed. So all we're waiting for now, checking on 2 hour time frame, is for the market now to push beyond the previous high. Pushing beyond the previous high as I change time frame going on to daily, will then force Nasdaq to break the record high. That is why it's taking quite forever, because pushing beyond the current previous high will force Nasdaq to break the previous high, the highest record on Nasdaq obviously ever made since February 16 or February 15, February 15, February 16. So that is why we are currently experiencing a high consolidation zone there on Nasdaq. It is because breaking the current high on Nasdaq will be forcing the market obviously to create a record high. What we had with SP500. SP500 obviously has hit a record high. US30 is also going for one, if not yet, and waiting for Nasdaq. That's what we're waiting for. And the record high is going to be crazy. Once the market hits a record high, it will go beyond. So you don't want to be absent on that push to the upside. And that is obviously our slight breakdown of what is currently happening on Nasdaq. If you are currently confused, that's what I wanted to clear with people. That's what I wanted to clear with people, is that if you are currently confused with what's happening on Nasdaq, this is my current breakdown of the current situation and of what we are stuck in right now. Breaking this high, I'm back here. Breaking this high would mean the Nasdaq would have to go for a record high, and that is why we are slightly heavy delays. But definitely we'll go there. It's still a valid high, very more beyond valid. Remember, buy something on Nasdaq. When it comes to buy, the Nasdaq is effortless on that one. It is a 100% buying market, so you must be very obviously, you must make sure that you're always, whatever the case may be, you are in on the buy as much as you can be going in and out of the sells as well. It is still a very valid buy. But anyway, guys, that was my slide breakdown on Nasdaq. So all our indices, the US30, Nasdaq, SP is leading us on that record high. So all we have to do right now, as you see, Nasdaq is pushing down. It will just push down probably to around 13. I can't see because it's a bit far, so I can't see the numbers pretty well. But the high and low that I've highlighted right here, we're going to be playing we'll be playing in that area for the longest time. We will be playing in that area for the longest time. For the longest time. But definitely make sure you eat more on the buys. We eat more on the buys than anything. That's one thing. I'm gonna monitor 1530 today, and I'll be giving a very powerful signal at 1530 today. So I'm gonna monitor it. I am 90% sure I know how it will move, and I'll definitely give a trade on it. My concept on it is exactly how I see it will move. Once it does that, I'll make sure I'll spike the trade in. But 1530 today also, US Open is going to be quite powerful. Tomorrow also we've got a very big fundamental day as well, because Powell is going to be speaking, and you know what's up when those niggas speak. US featured muted, but now a touchdown high of North American trading. So SP500 is not in its best phase right now after breaking the record high, but that's not a problem. So yeah, I hope you guys are good though. Hope you guys are good. That was my slight example. Hope you guys understand what I was trying to explain slightly in that phase there. You know, thank you so much, but we'll keep a look on the biggest group in Africa. God bless, definitely. And when I get a chance, like I said, I will take that video, a proper video, explaining the phase of what's going on right now on Nasdaq, so you guys understand it even better. So I will definitely. But right now, I've gotta get into some few things.